How to change language in WeChat. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and we will teach you on how to change language in WeChat. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch WeChat app on your device and make sure that you sign in to your account. Navigate to Me button at bottom right corner of your screen. Now choose Settings option from this menu and now tap on General button. Among the option on General section, select Language. Currently, it has been set to Auto. You will get different kinds of languages listed over here. Choose the language according to your convenience. For me, it's English, so you need to tap on that particular language and then tap the Save button at top right once you are done. And with this, you will successfully change language in WeChat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.